Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is going to be my daily rant video because this shows you the nonsense of Microsoft when they want to try to tell us that Windows 11 is faster than Windows 10, and how nonsense the test that was done is when you look at it. So Microsoft came out with numbers today saying that Windows 11 PCs are up to 2.3 times faster than Windows 10, and that Windows 11 PCs offer 3.2 times faster web browsing than Windows 10. And they go on with 2 times faster Microsoft Office productivity and blah, blah, blah. It would be fine if it wasn't for the problem with the test that they could test. So they were using Geekbench 6 for Windows 10 to Windows 11 testing, and they were using Speedometer for Microsoft Edge browser on the internet browsing. Now, look at this. This is the Windows 10 machines that they've been using, and they actually went and tested the speed through this, including machines that you see here, the Core i3 and i5 that are 6th generation. They're technically not compatible with Windows 11. So already that, why did you test those if they're not compatible with Windows 11 anyways? It's, nonsense. You're already doing something that you're telling everybody not to do, but you did it. The other thing is, if you look at these and we look again at the Windows 11 machines, it's interesting. They haven't tested any of the same machines, and of course, the machines they tested on Windows 11 are all machines that are, capable of running Windows 11 supported. They're all supported. So what's the nonsense here is that you've tested machines that you shouldn't have tested because they can't compare to Windows 11 machines because they can't upgrade to Windows 11 anyways. Plus, these are not at all the same machines that you're testing, which means the test means nothing. Because, of course, if I take, I have a, say, Core i7 8th generation, and I test it against a Core i7 13th generation, I don't expect to see the same speed. And it has nothing to do with Windows 11 being faster or not. It has to do with the device, the hardware is supposed to be better. So what does this test mean? Absolutely nothing. No, you can't say the numbers you're saying. You can't say that they're faster. You're not even using the same machines. How do you test Windows 10 and Windows 11 for that? They would have had to use the exact same machines, run their tests with those machines with Windows 10, and then install Windows 11 and redo the test with the same machines on Windows 11, and then come and tell me it's faster or not. What is this nonsense, Microsoft? Come on. It's stupid. It's not even a valid test. So that's the rant for today. If you want to tell us that it's faster, use the same machines and show us that it's faster with the same machines, same config with Windows 10 or Windows 11. But not this nonsense of testing. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.